Today we are learning English sentences about laundry. Repeat with me and practice your English. Let's begin. I am sorting the clothes. Repeat after me. I am sorting the clothes. That means I am separating the clothes into groups right now. I am checking the care label. Repeat after me. I am checking the care label. That means I am reading the washing instructions on the clothes right now. I am scrubbing a stain. Repeat after me. I am scrubbing a stain. That means I am cleaning a dirty spot on the clothes right now. I am soaking the clothes. Repeat after me. I am soaking the clothes. That means I am leaving the clothes in water to clean them right now. I am hand washing my clothes. Repeat after me. I am hand washing my clothes. That means I am washing my clothes using my hands. I am wringing out the clothes. Repeat after me. I am wringing out the clothes. That means I am squeezing water out of the clothes. I am doing the laundry. Repeat after me. I am doing the laundry. That means I am washing clothes. I am loading the washing machine. Repeat after me. I am loading the washing machine. That means I am putting clothes into the washing machine. I am adding detergent. Repeat after me. I am adding detergent. That means I am putting soap into the washing machine. I am setting the washing machine. Repeat after me. I am setting the washing machine. That means I am choosing the washing settings. I am unloading the washing machine. Repeat after me. I am unloading the washing machine. That means I am taking clothes out of the washing machine. I am drying the clothes. Repeat after me. I am drying the clothes. That means I am removing water from the clothes. I am hanging the clothes. Repeat after me. I am hanging the clothes. That means I am putting clothes on the line to dry. I am taking the clothes off the line. Repeat after me. I am taking the clothes off the line. That means I am removing dry clothes from the clothesline. I am folding the clothes. Repeat after me. I am folding the clothes. That means I am making the clothes neat and ready to put away. I am ironing the clothes. Repeat after me. I am ironing the clothes. That means I am removing wrinkles from the clothes. I am steaming the clothes. Repeat after me. I am steaming the clothes. That means I am using steam to remove wrinkles from the clothes. I am putting the clothes away. Repeat after me. I am putting the clothes away. That means I am placing the clothes in their proper place. I am dry cleaning my coat. Repeat after me. I am dry cleaning my coat. That means I am taking my coat to a special cleaner. I am putting on clean clothes. Repeat after me. I am putting on clean clothes. That means I am wearing fresh, clean clothes. Great job! Keep practicing these sentences every day. Like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Bye!